Good evening, everyone. We have now concluded 7 whole weeks of classes. An 8 week course is the equivalent of 7/8 of the course, or 3.5 months of the class in a regular semester. This is the last week of the course. Hope you're having a good weekend. So here we go on to week 8 of the last week of the course. There are some items for you to be aware for this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. All is left for the week is exam number 3. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Blackboard. Here's a summary of what is coming due this week. Exam number 3, chapters 9 through 13, available tomorrow Monday, May 20th, and is due Thursday, May 23rd by 11:59 p.m. I'm still feverishly, literally, since I'm slowly recuperating from a nasty stomach flu, trying to finish grading your assignments. I'm going to give another push tonight, but we'll make sure everything is graded before the end of the week. By the end of the week, or when I get caught up with the grading, I will give you an update of how we are with points. And so you may calculate where you stand in the class. You miss an assignments, quizzes, discussions, or reflections, you only have this week to complete them. If they're not done by the last week of the class, it will be reflected in your final grade. Please notice I have a very quick turnaround deadline to submit grades. Everything must be submitted by Friday 24th, and since I'm required to submit grades by Monday, May 27th. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.